HeyGen and DID, two AI video generators that can turn plain text or photos into talking avatars. But which one's really worth your time? I tested both side by side and the winner might surprise you. At first, they seem almost identical. Upload the script, pick an avatar, and hit generate. But once I tried them on the exact same project, one looked like a professional host, and the other felt more like a quick social clip made on the fly. HeyGen gives you polished, corporate quality avatars with smoother movements and accurate lip sync. It supports 300 plus templates, 175 languages, and even custom voice cloning so your videos feel more personal. Plus, it's a cloud based, meaning you and your team can edit together in real time. Ideal for creators, marketers, or educators making professional content. DID, on the other hand, shines in its simplicity. It's fast, clean, and perfect for instant talking avatars. You can even make a photo pic within seconds. It's one of the best AI talking avatar editors out there, but there's one big catch. Here's the real deciding factor. With HeyGen, you get unlimited video generation, including long form videos, which is huge win for YouTubers and educators. DID, while powerful, is more limited when it comes to longer content and advanced customization. So overall, DID is a great AI talking avatar editor, but in this comparison, HeyGen is definitely the winner. Smoother, more flexible, and built for creators who want to scale. Next, I'll show you how to use HeyGen's hidden settings to make your avatar look even more natural. Check that out on the next one.